It had been a number of years since I had attended an Acres conference, and I was really happy to see the focus on farm profitability, on education. I really thought there was a good vibe there at the conference too, from young people who were really taking an interest and wanting to learn. The thing I like about the conference, probably as much as anything else, is the willingness for the participants to share and the associations you get by attending that conference. Yeah, you learn some things with the speakers, but you learn much more visiting with the individuals that are there. Because I've always said that the regenerative ag space, it's about sharing and it's about community. And I think what we're really going to focus on is that, I've had the good fortune in my career to travel many places in the world. And as long as there's sunlight, rainfall, and soil, this works. Just to show people that it doesn't matter where, you can drop Gabe Brown pretty much anywhere in the world, and I'm gonna give me some time and I'll create a healthy soil that'll function. And that's the beauty of this. If you're educated, understand how these processes work, it works.